How to find stories sharing options on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find stories sharing options on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now just go down and you will find this one, uh, stories, and here just click on this one, sharing options, and as you see here you can manage sharing options, and that's how to find stories sharing options on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.